Do you want to change any image to PNG format and use it freely on your videos and thumbnails? Hello friends, my name is Yasin Azimi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I have another awesome smartphone trick for you. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change any image to PNG format just by following a few simple steps. So stay tuned to watch this video step by step up to the end. Hey, if this is the first time you are visiting my YouTube channel and wanna get new tricks, so make sure you hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. It's totally free, you can subscribe right now. And you will get more new tech and internet tricks every day. I hope you guys will do it right. So friends, in the beginning we have to download one application from the Play Store. So just go to the Play Store and download that application, and the name of that application is Background Eraser. So just click in that one and open that application after downloading. So after that you will see an option by the name of Load a Photo. So I'm clicking this, and suppose that I want to just make the PNG of the Spider-Man. So I'm selecting this image. Then after selecting you will see this interface. So after that click in here, done. Then in here you will see many options. So in here you can click this one, zoom, for zooming, and then here for erasing manually, so click this option and just erase the part that you want. Suppose that by mistake you erased any part, so in here there is an option of undo, so you can undo or redo. So I'm doing this one, undo. And the second one is, suppose that you have erased any part by mistake, so in here there is an option of repair, so just click in here for repairing the image back. So I am clicking this one, undo, so the original photo is again here, and you can see that in here there is a distance between these two cursors, so you can just decrease the cursor offset from here, the distance between them. So you should just click in here to remove any part that you want. Then the next one is the magic trick, that just you have to go to the near of that part and it will remove it in a magic way very easily, and it looks also very nice. So you can see that very easily. I'm clicking this one, undo. Very easily we can remove the part that we want. So this is that one, and in here you can see that just by clicking in here BG color, you can see that we have erased those parts. So I am again zooming out this image. So yes, I zoomed out this one. And the most important trick of this application is this auto option, that it looks very nice. Just by one click you can remove the whole background. So I'm selecting this one, then after that just come to here and just leave it in here. So you can see that just by one click you have removed the whole background. So I am undoing, and you can see that I will do it again. So just select this auto option and just I'm clicking in the white background. You can see that everything is done only in one click. So this was making PNG, and after that click in here, done. Then in here you will see the option of save. So just you can save this one to your gallery, and you can see that now it has saved. So after that click in here, finish. Or if you want to remove the background of this one plus inside of that one, so just click in here and open this one. So you can see that this is the laptop. So just I'm clicking in here, done. And just select this magic option and just click inside and outside. You can see that it is done in only 10 seconds, very easily. So that was the very simple trick for today. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up. If you have any question, then let me know in the comment section below. And if you want your friends to get this knowledge, so share with them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe right now for totally free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, because I will send you a notification and you will not miss any of them. I have two other special videos for you in the right side, you can watch them as well. Thank you for watching. A world of gratitude. See you in the next video.